Animals and Nature, Elephant Memory Parade. In the heart of Africa, on a sun-drenched day, lived a wise old elephant named Elara. Known far and wide for her remarkable memory, she was about to host an extraordinary event, the Elephant Memory Parade. As the sun set, the savannah buzzed with anticipation. Animals from every corner gathered to witness Elara's parade. Her trunk lifted high, she led them to the edge of the great watering hole. First, Elara called upon a shy leopard named Lila. Lila, she said, I need your keen eyes to help me remember. With a nod, Lila scampered up into the tallest tree. Next came a herd of zebras, led by Zebi. Zebi, Elara instructed, I need your powerful memory for this parade. The herd moved gracefully towards the watering hole, their striking stripes shimmering in the moonlight. A tall giraffe family followed, led by Gertie. Gertie, Elara acknowledged, your memory is vital for our parade. The giraffes stretched their long necks and lowered their heads, bending to drink from the watering hole. The crowd held their breath as a crocodile named Croc appeared from the watering hole. Croc, Elara said, I need your memory of our past. With a knowing nod, Croc glided back into the water. His powerful presence felt throughout. As dawn broke, Elara and her friends stood together around the watering hole. They shared stories of days gone by, memories that had once seemed lost but were now vividly alive again. The animals celebrated their unity, learning how each played a role in their shared ecosystem. The sun climbed higher in the sky, and life on the savannah resumed its rhythm. Elara, Lila, Zebi, Gertie and Croc joined their friends to forage, play and protect each other. Their bond was stronger than ever. Elara looked out over the savannah, a sense of peace washing over her. She knew that she had brought her friends together in a way they hadn't been before. The Elephant Memory Parade would be remembered forever. One small elephant calf approached Elara, his eyes wide with curiosity. Elara? He asked. What was the Elephant Memory Parade? She smiled gently and explained how they had all come together to remember their past. The young calf shared what he learned with the others in his herd. Soon, the stories of the Elephant Memory Parade spread throughout the savannah, teaching generations about the importance of memory and unity. The Elephant Memory Parade was more than just a gathering of animals. It brought light to their shared history and reminded them of their interdependence. The parade will be remembered as a symbol of unity for generations of African wildlife to come.